Disconnect the power supply from the outlet. Disconnect the blue cable and inspect both the cable and the prongs for any sign of damage. Check the blue cable swivel for black marks or rings. This step does not apply to all Dolphin models. Make sure the filters, the impeller, vents, and the intake at the bottom of the robot are clean and free of any debris. Confirm Dolphin motor has not shifted during transit or cycles. I'll do that check later if needed. Place the robot upside down out of the water and rotate the brushes and tracks. Confirm that the brushes and tracks rotate freely in both directions with minimal resistance and no clicking or popping noises. Just done. Connect the power supply directly to the GFI outlet with the robot upside down. The brushes and tracks will rotate forward and backwards before stopping when the robot detects it is out of the water. First, I'm going to attach the blue cable and push the power supply power button. Put the camera on the robot. When the power supply button is pushed, the robot does not respond. Disconnect the power supply from the outlet for 10 to 15 seconds. Place the robot in the pool, reconnect it, and turn it on to start a cleaning cycle. Disconnecting the power supply. From the outlet. Plugging the power back in. The blue cable is connected. 10 to 15 seconds have passed. I'm pushing the power supply blue power button. There's a steady blue ring around the blue power supply button. there's no response from the robot. Previously, the My Dolphin Plus app was deleted from my phone, and the troubleshooting steps for the app troubleshooting were completed with no success. I'll send you a screenshot of the app message indicating that the robot is not connected to the power supply or not responding to the power supply. Thank you.